In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable migration line on Axiom. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. You will not regret it. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins that's currently available. It has an amazing wallet tracker, a great trader tracker, and polls and P&L trackers. You can also use the reward system, which gives you Solana packages for simply trading meme coins. You can also trade perpetuals, use their turbo mode for faster fills. You can set your own presets for both buy and sell, and you can change your slippage, priority, and bribe fees. You can also use their filters, which are just amazing, and then there's a lot more. So again, a link down below. Make sure you check it out, you won't regret it. So to enable the migration line on Axiom, simply go to polls over here or wherever you want to go, and you want to just select any of the coins. I'm going to go into a random one, and you want to click on this button where it says chart settings, and here the third option should be migration line. You want to click on that, and then here you can also set its color, so you can set it to whatever you want it to be, and then you can just click on done, and then you're done. You successfully have enabled your migration line. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.